Yes. Hi guys, how are you? What's up? I hope you all are doing very amazing. So people, this video is exclusively for those students who are looking for CMA Final 100% English language lectures for the subject of corporate and economic laws. People, let me tell you this, a lot of our CMA Final students belong to South India. So they are not so comfortable with the Hindi language. And there are also another set of students who believe that we are going to write answers in English language. So we want 100% English language lectures. So people, here we are going to start 100% English language lectures for the subject of corporate and economic law CMA Final. So in this video of 15 to 20 minutes, I'm going to tell you everything about this, how the lectures will be conducted, the duration of the lectures, what all study material you will get, everything will be covered in this video. Okay, so let's get started people. Number one point is, these lectures are exclusively for CMA students only, not CA, not CS. Okay. Number two, sir, for which attempt these lectures are relevant? People, these lectures are relevant for June 2026 attempt, December 2026 attempt, June 2027 attempt, and December 2027 attempt. Okay. Chalo. Now, the next question that will come to your mind is, sir, when is the batch going to start? This batch is going to start on 23rd February 2026. This batch is going to start on 23rd February 2026. Okay. Before that, we will also be launching demo lectures for you, so you can have a clear idea how the lectures will be conducted. Okay. Next, sir, what will be the total duration of these lectures? So people, the total duration of these lectures will be approximately 120 hours. In these 120 hours, we are going to cover the entire syllabus in detailed manner. Number one. Number two, we are going to solve a lot of questions. I'm going to tell you what all questions we are going to solve. Next, once we complete every single chapter, we are going to do a thorough revision of the entire chapter in just one lecture. And next is thorough writing practice. So all these four things will be given to you in 120 hours lectures. Okay. Next, sir, what will be the duration of every single lecture? People, every single lecture will be of approximately 1.5 to 2 hours. It could also be more. Okay. Next, people, don't worry. We're going to have super huge amount of fun. I am going to tell you a lot of stories. Okay. I will tell you exactly how I am going to teach you the subject of corporate and economic laws. Okay. Chalo. Now, your next question will be, sir, what all study material are we going to receive? So people, you will receive 4 books. Number one will be your corporate law. That will be volume 1. Volume 2 will be your economic laws. Volume 3 will be summary notes. Sir, what is the meaning of summary notes? Let's say people, I have taught you the sub-chapter of insider trading under SEBI regulations. That sub-chapter is of 15 to 20 pages. Let's say I have summarized for you all those 15 pages in just 1 to 2 pages, so that you will find it very easy and convenient to revise everything before your exams. Okay. I will show you how the summary notes will look like. See people, let's say this sub-chapter is of 10 pages. So everything I have summarized to you in just 2 pages. So before the exam, you just have to go through these summary notes. That's it. The language is also made very easy. I just want you to study everything 100%, which normally students don't do because the subject is very, very vast. Students often skip doing the revision. So it is just my initiative for you to make your work little easier. Okay. Chalo. Then people, let's come over here. Volume 4 will be your question answer book. Sir, in question answer book, what all questions are going to be covered? Number one, your module question. Your institute's model questions will be covered in that question answer book. Number two, model question paper that institute releases before every attempt. All those questions will also be covered in that question answer book. Then people, your past year's questions, very, very important. A lot of times your past year's questions have always been repeated in the attempts. Okay. Apart from that, this is gold. Why? I have created a new set of expected questions that might come in your exams. So I have studied how questions are asked in your exams, and I have created a new set of questions that you should study. Okay. Now, 4 volumes are done. Now 5th volume you are going to prepare. How, sir? When we are going to study a chapter, I am going to draw mind maps for you. Sir, what is the meaning of mind maps? People, mind maps means it's a beautiful concept for you to quickly retain whatever you have studied till now. This is called as mind map. 1 second, people. So people, this is what we call it as mind maps. I will tell you why did I make these mind maps. Corporate and economic law subject is very vast. A lot of paragraphs, a lot of text. Students find it very difficult to go through, to study all those boring paragraphs. So I have made that work easier for you. We are going to draw mind maps while we cover concepts. So there are no paragraphs. It will be very, very beautiful for you to read, understand, and learn everything quickly and in the most efficient way possible, yet covering all the key points. Okay, people, this is what we call it as mind maps. These we are going to make during our lectures. Okay, so 5 volumes, people. Number 1, your corporate laws. Number 2, economic laws. Number 3, summary notes. Number 4, question answer bank. Number 5, mind maps. Okay, chalo. Now, if you have got any doubts with respect to any concept, be it a super silly doubt, be it a super genius doubt, it is your duty to make sure to ask those doubts. Okay, people, and I am going to make sure that all your doubts will be resolved in less than 3 hours. Okay, people, so you don't have to worry at all. Whatever doubts you have during the lectures, you have to note it down, or simply you can ask me outright. If while studying you come across any doubt, you have to ask me. I will be 24/7, mark my words, 24/7 I will be available for you to solve all your doubts. Because people, this subject is, I will tell you honestly, this subject is difficult. Okay, the language is also pretty difficult. So I don't want any one of my students to face this difficulty while you are watching my lectures. I'm going to make sure that all your doubts will be resolved as quickly as possible in the most beautiful way. Okay, chalo. Apart from that, people, if you have got any other doubt, be it with respect to the course or be it with respect to the lectures, prices, you can contact Inspire Academy. They will resolve all your doubts in the best way possible. Okay, people, chalo. So we are done with this. Now I will tell you the beauty of our lectures and what I expect from you. What is our goal going to be in these 2 months? People, number 1, from my part, I will make sure that the language will be so easy to understand that even a 10-year-old would get it, whatever I am saying. I will make sure my language is so easy for you to understand. Number 1 is that. Number 2, thorough writing practice we are going to do. We are going to do so much writing practice that you will be tired of writing. But we will make sure that because of the hard work you have put in, it's going to be a very easy cakewalk for you to write answers in the subject of corporate and economic laws in your exams. Students are often finding it very, very difficult to write answers in the law exams. I'm going to make sure that in first 10 days itself, I'm going to remove that fear from you as to how are you going to write law answers. Okay, you don't have to worry at all. If I am there, that's it. You just have to follow me and I'm going to lead you to success. Okay, people, chalo. Next is the most important aspect. Whenever I'm going to teach you any concept, we're going to make sure that we understand those concepts using real life examples and most importantly using logic. Every law, people, every law, understand this, every law is a solution to a problem. If we study law using problem solving approach, you will never ever forget the law, be it in exams or be it after exams. Okay, so I'll give you a small example. If we are studying FEMA laws, I will tell you why Tesla cars were not in India till now, what FEMA laws were in place to stop Tesla from entering India. We'll understand every single thing realistically. Okay, so you will find it very, very interesting. Cool people, and let me tell you people, and let me tell you this, our goal is to score 70 plus marks in the subject of corporate and economic laws. Nothing less than that is our goal going to be. Okay, chalo. Now, let's understand how the lectures will be conducted. Number one is done. We are going to understand every single concept using logic, and we are going to write down using mind maps. So learning becomes very, very efficient. Number one. Then people, after every single chapter, we are going to do a thorough revision of the entire chapter in just one lecture. Let's say we were studying SEBI regulations. SEBI regulations will be of 4 to 5 lectures. After completing SEBI regulations, I'm going to revise the entire 5 to 6 lectures in just one lecture itself. So we'll find it very, very easy to understand and learn. Then people, we're going to solve model questions, we're going to solve model questions, then we're going to do PYQs. Over here, your writing practice will be done. Okay? So this is the beauty of the lectures of CMA Final Law. Cool people? So apart from that, if you have got any doubt, just drop all your doubts in the YouTube comment section. We will make sure that we resolve all your doubts in the most beautiful way possible. Okay people? So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the batch. Until then, eat well, sleep well, study well. Take care and bye-bye.